All right, so now we have our Cabernet.
Well, it really is kind of a flagship wine for us since Elizabeth and Spencer have been making Cabernet since 1998. It's sourced from a number of different vineyards in the Napa Valley. So in any given year, we might have some fruit from Mount Veeder, some fruit from the Stag's Leap area, fruit from Coombsville, fruit from Calistoga. I might have 5% new French oak in these wines. I don't want the oak to sit on top of the wine.
Yeah, and right away you can see it's integrated. I can get a little bit of everything. I get the fruit coming through.
Feels like kicking a dead horse, but elegance. You want elegance in your Cabernet. You want structure. You want grip. You want tannin. You want all of those things that make it appropriate to have with food. But you also want an expression of fruit. In 5 years, I expect this to have a little more vetiver and chocolate.
Yep. You can also get a little bit of kind of like that sweetness, maybe like a sweet spice.
There's a little bit of tobacco there.
Yeah.
Some cola.
And it drinks a little darker on the palate than it does on the nose.
Once you really dig into it, you see that it's got structure. I recommend decanting it, especially in the first 2, 3, 4 years of its life. I think you'll have it a little more open and offering after decanting.
Yep. Well, thank you so much. This is awesome. Cheers.
Cheers.